Yeah, I'm pilot tonight, and we're flying off. We're flying an A320 Airbus, and we're on non-Virgin Air tonight. Or we're going to be taking off, and I got a little backup feed here problem. It's all right. I got my SA, my report, so we're like going up. All right, all right. This is left wing 5-9er, Roger Bravo, 320 AB, Air France. Whoa, I got fired from that. I don't fly there anymore. Air non-virgin. So we're on runway 89er 4. We're heading down. Okay, we're taxiing down 849er over tower. There's tower 849er. You got it on there, right? Right. All right. Okay, this is non-virgin air coming down 849er. We're taxiing down to runway takeoff 395 over. Oh, I got 359 over. Blah, 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 blah. Okay. Get a little more throttle. All right, back off the throttle. I got a big boy in front of me. So I got one heavy, United Heavy in front of me. 849-59er. You are a 3459er. Okay, we're down there. We're doing okay. All right, 849, we're coming down there. I got to prop up my wheel a little bit. This is what I want to come up on. 849er, this is AB320, non-virgin air. We're on the last grid for takeoff. Over. 849er, we have you on there. I have a read on you. Okay, you have a go. You're passed. Hey, this is 849er. We're heading down. 8490. Okay. Are we on southbound port, southbound starboard, 849er. 849er, AB320, non-virgin air. You're going to go. Okay, it's a go. I'm in. Okay, I'll taxi over. Okay, pulling off to well, should I take off on starboard or my leeward? Where am I at here? I am. 849er. You shouldn't have to worry about it. You just listen to controls. Okay, I'm on mission control, but I'm looking at the other 320 on the other runway. I'm a little concerned about that. He's got 30-second fly ahead on me. Over. A49er. Okay. Airbus A320. You go. All right, 429er, I'm off the runway. I'm here. I got the runway on the left. Where is the plane? Do I veer right? Do I veer right? Starboard. No, you do port. Okay, I'm veering port. I have a shadow above me. What do I do? Okay, lower down. Gear down. Stall. Gear up! Flaps up! I have a visual off my port side. I see him down about 600 feet down below me. We're shuddering pretty bad. Full gear up. All right, back to Bush Tower, Houston Tower. Okay, I'm at 9,800. Where am I at? Okay, I'm 3.5 out, 9,800 out. Okay, where's the other bird? All right, Houston Tower, 3895. Why don't you head on a course of due right, northwest, run. Let me get back to you on that one. What's your altitude right now? I'm about 9,800. Northwest, 3835. Bugging out.